so here we are, we've got this thing happening. So there's going to be photos and a little bit of video, but it's a bit of a drama, but not terrible. This needs to be straightened out, so I can undo these and take it off, straighten it up and help relax that, and it should be good. This is okay up here. There's another piece of metal bracing, so give it a go, see what happens. Okay, bit cramped under here, so it's just sitting up there at the moment. So all these I've got, that's hanging loose, as we can see. This was not connected properly, so what happened, this came out and pulled down, and thankfully it didn't come all the way off. But there's, as I said, it's a bit cramped. There's one here, one up the front, one here, one here, and all around here. 3 up the top, as in 3 clips and screws. These are screws here, and there's a screw here and here. So I think whoever put this in before I bought the car didn't do it properly, and I put this in. This is the new engine cover underneath. I did that, so I know that's correct. So it wasn't Lexus, so sorry I spoke out. It was whoever had it done before. These 3 up here at the top were destroyed, but I think I've got something I can replace up there. Everything else I've got. So probably another half an hour of messing around. We'll have this thing all back together. And I think it's important to have that there. I don't know what it does exactly. It stops the mud and crap getting everywhere behind the headlights, I think. But yeah, it's nice and clean. Sort of. Oh, that's another issue. See where the jack point is? It's all crushed. That's why I've got the cars here and no comments. Oh, it's not safe. Yes, it bloody is. I mean, if that collapses, there's more problems than that with the car. But yeah, it should be good soon. Video quality is pretty ordinary. Sorry, chaps. But this is what happened. So this is the front of the car. This here goes under here. It wasn't. And this one here goes here. And it also wasn't. And there's another here as well. And it wasn't. So somehow I missed it when I did this. But I didn't do this part. So what happened, air came here and it pulled it back down. But the good thing is, I can see up in here, these aren't tight yet, but we've got new screws there. Screws in here somewhere, you might be able to see it. Up top is just little plastic clips. So this one's in, these are in. I've used bloody 8 big screws in there because that will not come out now. So almost done. So that's awesome. I can't believe it. We ripped this thing apart and it didn't do any damage, and that's probably because it was only half bolted up. So there you go. Okay, this is probably the bodgiest video in the world, but we have a win. This up here, I can't get to these, they don't line up, but that's solid. These are all oversized screws all around here, up here, there. That's factory because that goes in the middle, and that's solid too, that goes in the middle. So this now is totally solid. There's a clip up there as well. And crawl under. I've done the same here too. See all these? Always oversized and they are tight. This is tight, that's tight. This was not in originally, that was not done. So now, this is as solid as it gets. So hopefully we won't have that drama again at 200 kilometers an hour. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. It's just, if people put this bloody thing together properly and they repaired it, whatever they did, we wouldn't be here. But most problems on these things are man-made. So hopefully we fixed. Might give this a little clean under here just to tidy it up, but apart from that we're done.